Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing this makeup look. So this is basically an eyeshadow look that I'm going to be doing, and blush, lips, everything, except foundation. But yeah, I'm going to be using a new palette, and I just got it the other day, but I hadn't had a chance to film. So this is the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I was really excited because this, I feel like, is the more brown version of the modern Renaissance. So, I mean, when I look at this palette, I feel like I can do so many looks with this, but it's one of those eyeshadow palettes that is honestly going to go with anything you wear. Very universal. And yeah, it even has a black in there. That mulberry shade I used today. Oh my, I love it. And yeah, just really like this palette. There are a few re-promotes in here, but I do not mind that. Gorgeous, and that if I ran out of in my other palettes, I wouldn't want to like go repurchase in a pen size. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got this. And yeah, if you guys would like to see this makeup look that I created using this palette, please keep watching and we will get right into the tutorial. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is prep my eyes with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. So the first color that I'm going to take is Tempera, and I'm just going to apply it right below the brow bone, or right below the eyebrow actually. And yeah, it's really pretty, but it does, and I feel like it does have a little bit of shimmer, so I'm not going to put it all over the lid. So now I'm going to take orange soda, and I'm applying that shade into my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take burnt orange, and I'm going to take it on the same brush, my MAC 217, and I'm going to apply this color a lot lower. So I'm basically where my socket would be, where I can feel the hollow, is into where I'm going to put it. I'm going to also apply it to the outer part. To the outer corner of the eye as well. I really don't know where I'm going with this tutorial, but I know I wanted to use this palette. So now I'm going to take Sienna, and I'm going to apply that. I'm going to like stamp it onto the outer like V of the eye, like going in a circle kind of. First I want it to be concentrated more right here and on the outer lid, and then whatever I have on my brush I can bring inwards. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color in Mulberry, inner and outer part of the eye. Ooh, this is really pretty. I don't think I've ever seen this color in another palette. If you guys have, let me know. But it's really pretty. And now to the inner corner, but not too far into the corner. Not like, not in the tear duct. Just right here, the inner, like, third. And then blend it. So. So my camera cut off when I was applying some concealer just to the center of the lid, just like opening up some space, like a halo type of look for the eyeshadow. And it's also going to help that eyeshadow that I apply just stand out a lot more and grab on better. Okay, so to the center of the lid, I'm going to be applying the color Sultry. So this is the color right here. I like it because it kind of looks like a brown, but it has pink in it. I don't know, it's really pretty. These eyeshadows are so soft and buttery. So now I'm going to apply it with my finger first, and then, ooh, really pigmented. And then I'll spread it out if I need to with a brush. But this just like really makes your eyeshadow even more vibrant when you apply with your finger. If it's like I don't know, I feel like this is kind of like a pressed pigment. It's so shimmery. So now I'm going to go back with the color Mulberry. And I'm taking it on this little smudge brush. And what I'm basically just going to do is re-intensify the outer part and the inner part and like blend the two colors together. Okay, so now I'm just going to create a very thin line across my eyelid, and I'm just doing this as a base for my lashes. Okay, so I already have my lashes and mascara on, so now I'm going to move on to my bottom lash line. So for my bottom lash line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first take some of this burnt orange shade. Okay, and now to the very outer half, I'll apply that darker shade in Mulberry and connecting it with the outer corner of the eye and just bringing it in. Alright, so now to add a little bit extra to the middle of the eyelid, I'm going to take this color right here, and it is called Rose Pink, and I'm just going to apply it to the very center of the halo. Okay, so now to my top lash line. I'm applying the Eye Kohl by MAC in Costa Riche, and also to the bottom waterline. I'm just bringing it halfway in. Now I'm going to apply some bottom lash mascara, and the mascara that I've been loving right now is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara, and this is what it looks like. I really recommend it for your bottom lashes, and I like that the wand is like really thin, and you know, just gets your bottom lashes really good, coats them really good, and it's, you know, a really good mascara. Really just separates them, and I really like that. So I applied a little bit of bronzer, and now I'm going to apply some blush and some highlight just to, you know, bring it all together. So I don't know what blush I want to wear today. Alright, so for my blush today, I'm going to be applying this blush that I love. I don't know why I haven't used it lately, but this is Warm Soul by MAC, and I mean, I don't know, it looks like I barely used it or something, but I promise I've used this. But I promise I've used this blush a lot, especially like in 2016, 2017. So I'm going to apply this. I really like it because there's a subtle hint of shimmer in it, but it doesn't like really look like it on the cheeks, and it just looks really like brightening, luminous type of blush. Like, gives you such a healthy glow. I love this especially for the summer. And last time I used Rodeo Drive and Pillow Talk from the Ofra Cosmetics highlighting palette. Now I'm going to use Blissful. So I'm taking Blissful. I'm just going to use a small blending brush. So all my highlighting brushes are very dirty. I need to wash all my brushes, seriously. Yeah, this one will look a little bit better. So yeah, this is Kiss. So to the center of the lips, I'm going to apply a little bit of lip gloss. So I'm going to apply the KKW and Kylie Cosmetics lip glosses, or I think they're called cream liquid lipstick, and this one is in Kiki. So just going to apply that in the center, just to like kind of lighten up the lip combo. Alright, so here is the final makeup look. I think it's really pretty. I don't usually do like a darker brown on the lid. I wanted to do a color that I wouldn't typically go for on the first time using a palette. So yeah, I really like how it looks. It does look very sultry and just very pretty. And yeah, so overall, I mean, like always, I love Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows. Yeah, expect more tutorials with this palette and other palettes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!